Techno Industrial Products offers NR200 and NR2002 Miniature Air Regulator. The NR200 has die casting body of aluminum, with 1/4 female BSP thread, and 1/8 female port for pressure gauge mounting. Gear type non-slip plastic handle. The panel nut and pressure gauge can be installed as required. High efficiency, accurate pressure regulation, pressure gauge with full copper thread, long service life. This air regulator is widely used in dry powder spraying machine, glue dispenser, medical equipments, tire changer, automatic assembly line, and much more you can think of. Now we are seeing the working of regulator simply. Step 1. Pull out the handle upwards. Step 2. Rotate the handle to desired pressure. Step 3. Press the handle down to lock the pressure. The pressure adjustment range is 1.5 to 8 bar. We can get any pressure from this range according to the requirement. NR2000-02 has plastic body, with 1/4 male BSP inlet, and 7.3 mm pagoda outlet. Working pressure range from 0.3 to 0.8 bar, mainly used for oxygen generator. Thanks for watching.